I'm going to show y'all how I make my sweet tea, and I'm featuring this silicone collapsible water kettle. I got addicted to this little thing. I tried it once and I fell in love with it, and I've used it ever since. Now I'm going to start with one bottle that's room temperature, and I'm going to heat that one up. And over here I have a bottle that's been chilled in the fridge. This kettle takes about 3 minutes to boil water, and it automatically shuts itself off once it reaches boiling point. Then it'll later turn itself back on to maintain that temperature. See, it just shut itself off and it's boiling. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of sugar in my measuring cup, and that's for 2 bottles of water. It comes out to 2 tablespoons of sugar per bottle. If you think that's too sweet, reduce the amount of sugar you use. Make your tea however you want to. But I'm Southern and I cannot live without my sweet tea. In goes the tea bag, and this is just a standard tea bag. In about 5 minutes it'll be ready. There was a time when I used a microwave to heat wash water for washing dishes, washing my hair, bathing, whatever, and I burned up 2 microwaves doing that. Tea's ready. Now I'm going to pour this chilled water into it, and it's going to cool it off. It won't hold all of it because the sugar takes up some of the space. There you go. That's how I make sweet tea, y'all. After my tea's made, I put it in the fridge.